Hello everyone, this is Technology Consultant channel. I'm Sam. Here we are with another video. In this video, we'll teach you how to sign up on Zoom Cloud Meeting app. For this one, you have to download and install Zoom Cloud app. After installation, you have to open Zoom Cloud app. And then you have to click on sign up. And then here you have to type your date of birth, month, day and year. Click on it, select your date of birth, and then click on set. Now you have to provide your email address. Provide your first name and last name. And then you have to click on sign up tab. And then Zoom Cloud Meeting app will send an activation email to your provided email address. Now you have to open your mailbox. And here you can see we have received Zoom Cloud Meeting app. And then you have to click on activate account tab. Now from here you have to choose your password, confirm your password. If you are student, then you have to check this box and you have to select your age, third box. If you are not educated, then you have to click on continue. So here you can see our sign up process is now completed. Now we'll sign in to Zoom Cloud app. We'll click on sign in. Now we'll provide our email address and password. So you can see our Zoom Cloud Meeting account is now ready for use. So in the same way, you can also create Zoom Cloud Meeting app on Android and iOS devices. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for more useful videos.